Hey guys, Bishop here, and today I'm playing Pokemon Break Bronze again, but I did some off camera, and I'm actually here with Wolf in the room too. Wolf, say hi.
Oh, hi. So, I'm waiting at the gym for Bishop so I can start my episode. Because if you haven't seen my episode, it was 40 minutes. It was me doing everything. Even the parts that Bishop skipped. He wasn't in that part, though. Guys, if you've seen an episode and, seen it had something bad, I'm sorry. The editor's not, working with us right now. And I know that's not a good anything, but, it said, a bad thing. And I'm sorry if you guys.
Oh, but he put something over it.
Yeah, I tried to, but it didn't work.
Well, I helped him with it. I was invisible. How'd this person see me?
Guys, my brother's just basically getting up to where I am.
Yeah.
And after he does, I'll start my episode, and then I'll start doing some solo again. I guess.
Yeah. So wait. So is there an 8th gym?
Yeah.
Is this the full game?
Yeah, I think so.
I actually might start a series off of this with you.
Okay.
All-out series.
I think it's 6.
So my battery's not that good, so I have to do this fast.
Yeah, he has 20 minutes before I'm gonna start mine. If it dies or not.
So I have to go as fast as possible. I had a super good Pokemon at a version that got content deleted. I hope this one doesn't get it.
Hopefully it does. If it does, then guys, we have to start this. We have to put the series short. Makes it really bad.
Okay, let me see if I can do this. YT. Oh.
When it gets to the part for you that has something bad, I would recommend you pause it.
Something happened. I glitched it badly.
You glitched it again?
Yeah, but it shouldn't be that bad because I'm still fighting.
Oh, that's not bad.
I'm sad.
Guys, Bishop, don't. Okay, fine. Guys, if you want to read all of that, you can go to mine where I read it to you. Bishop doesn't, read it.
Should I read it?
I mean, they can just go to my
Okay, but what?
episodes.
In the morning tomorrow, I'm actually gonna read it because I have to do a speed run for this. My name is YT because we're actually doing it.
Yeah,
because we're doing
YT.
YT.
In every game, his name has to be YT for some reason.
Not all games.
Dude, let your name just be Pink Steven YT. No, actually, you should do that now.
That should be that would be a good name. Okay, one of my favorite shows is Steven Universe Future, by the way. Which it's super good.
Yeah, if you guys want to go watch that, Cartoon Network. If you don't have Cartoon Network, well, I'm sorry, guys.
Well, everyone should have Cartoon Network who's a kid.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. I'm supposed to be going to the gym with Wolf, and Wolf is gonna start his video when.
Yeah, because guys, if you did not know and didn't watch my video, I left off at the gym.
Yeah, there's gonna be some really old stuff. Hello, person. I don't care.
So, guys,
the version that me and Wolf had really good stats on. It got Uranium Randomizer, and it got content deleted. I mean, I was on the last gym, aka the 6th gym.
Because they only had 6 gyms at the time.
Yes, they didn't get to update it all the way. We were hoping there's be an update, but I rushed in this morning to tell Wolf that it got content deleted. So here we are now. I'm already half the time in.
Wait. You have like 8 minutes.
Please don't talk to me. I don't need you to talk to me. Don't battle me. Well, I'm pretty sure I have to go the other way. Never mind. Wait, so you should probably get in the gym, and you should probably get past all the things. You should probably. I ran into a I'm pretty sure this is a Mega Garchomp, right?
Yeah, maybe. So I can start now.
Yeah, you can get past all the things when you're waiting for me.
YouTube. 3, 2, 1. Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video today. Well, if you're watching on Bishop's side, I just started and you can hear all the preparation. But if you're on my side, and if you didn't watch the first episode, I would recommend it because you got all the way here, and I read everything. Like I read this guy, which I missed last time. The gym here used so much energy that they had to run these massive electric towers directly to it. I don't know what type the gym is.
I'm pretty sure it's water.
Hopefully, it's water.
It probably is.
You have to.
Come on, let me get past.
A musician.
I can't get past him.
You're not artist because nobody can play guitar.
You have to fight him.
Slow down there, Eager McVidu.
Okay, I'm fighting a trainer.
Pokemon gym.
I'm 7 minutes in. This is bad.
I don't know how. Let me just give you the lowdown. Lay down? I don't know. Every Pokemon gym focus on a specific type of Pokemon and battle. I don't need to get this.
Does battle?
Especially, it's electric type.
Does battle Cola work? I don't even know what the person meant. I'm gonna find a game to play on which board attack.
They're dance tiles. Stepping on them will turn them. Stepping on all the red ones will open up the way.
Yes.
Way ahead so you can move forward. I cannot, guys, I swear I can read. Be careful, stepping on a tile, you've already turned green will reset the whole dance path. Only after turning them off green,
I have to go fast,
able to step on them.
Oh, dang it.
Without, able to step on them again without resetting. You also need to fight a few in well, I didn't read that one last, guys, but if you could rewind it and tell me in the comments, because I'm literally blind.
Okay, I finally caught up with the girl.
That one too. Okay, guys, you don't have to tell me.
I caught up with the girl again.
Is this a gym? Ooh, it is.
Team Eclipse, get me back my parents from your house. I'm just kidding. What's happening?
I'm gonna need to see some skills before letting you through. Let's battle. Okay, bro. Guys, you know that music? I'm just gonna turn this down.
Yeah, that's copyright. I'm just kidding. It probably is, though. That's just my phone. Case.
Guys, I'm gonna switch really quick because,
Why?
How about a Rayquaza that has fly? I don't need to teach it fly, so this is pretty sad.
No.
Airlock.
Goodbye, kid. Oh. Wow.
But I actually know fly. If you didn't know, guys, fly is literally the most irritating move in Pokemon.
You know what? Good job getting your necklace back.
Dude, actually use fly. You're doing 2 damage.
I just have to.
No, opponent wants you to jerk. I avoided it. And
I'm gonna go to 11 minutes. I'm gonna go to 11 minutes, Wolf.
Okay. gained 139. Looks like you're okay to go through. Thank you. So
Wolf, actually wait for me.
Oh, guys, I messed up. Wait. Bop, bop, flop, boom, boom.
Well, this must be really boring, so I'm about to pause.